Hey everyone, I just want to make a quick update video of the direction of this channel. For the handful of you guys that still watch, you may have noticed that I haven't posted a tutorial or anything in quite a while. And the reason for that was I pretty much just got busy with other stuff. It became hard to sort of consistently create and then post content on even a weekly basis. And I didn't want to put anything out that I wasn't completely behind and completely proud about. So I decided to just take a little break. And since my last video, a lot has changed. I've been doing a lot of small side projects, some of them related to programming, some of them not related to programming, and I've been doing a lot of consulting for a couple of different companies as well. But I think the direction that I want to take things now is a lot more, instead of me sort of creating random one-off videos, I want to sort of just document sort of what I'm doing and document myself doing the two things that I enjoy the most. Number one, which is just coding in general, and number two, which is building something around something that I create. I love the idea of being able to sort of build a brand or build a company around something that I create and sort of bootstrap its way to providing value to a lot of people. I really like the idea of that. And I sort of want this channel to just be documenting me on that journey type of thing. And maybe some of you out there enjoy the same things and you have the same goals and ambitions, and maybe seeing me do it will hopefully inspire somebody, or maybe you'll be able to avoid a lot of the mistakes that I make, because I do make quite a bit of mistakes. And yeah, one of the things I'm trying to do now is me and one of my friends, actually he was featured on this channel, Tony. He recently left his job at Microsoft, and we're gonna try and get a startup. We're gonna try to get one of our ideas into Y Combinator, which is the California incubator, one of the best in the world. And the reason for that is last year, me and another one of my friends, we applied very late, a couple days before the batch started, but we still got an interview and we almost actually got in. And I felt like it was such a cool environment to be around. And there's so much that you can learn from all the people there that I made it sort of one of my goals to try and get in again this year. So we're applying again with a late application. We're just putting in a random app together. Not random, I guess, but it's an idea that we had, and we just started working on it a couple days ago. And yeah, hopefully we can get some sort of MVP done before Christmas, submit our application around a week and a half before the batch starts, and get interviewed as another late application. But yeah, that's just an example of something I'm trying to go for right now. And I sort of just want to document that process, and I want to start maybe posting every Monday and Wednesday, and maybe even on Fridays as well. But yeah, I guess we'll just take it from there and see how it goes.